Welcome back, everybody. And by everybody, I mean nobody. Okay, so Seribot got here. Okay, we were saying. The fuck were we doing? Was Kahoot in Go? There it is. I should be have. I don't have Kahoot standard. What was it that I recently downloaded here? Oh yes, Google. Which have a couple of snippets, so that's great. Right. On our third, we start air, or rather binaire. Yeah. On our fourth, we are starting tailwind. Okay. And finally, this is my theme folder. Okay. So the little issue that I remember having is if I go in my sources, my index is only halfway there. For some forsaken reason, honestly, I don't know why. Let's take a look at that. There's the index, which will take my head and my footer. There's my head, which go up until the body. And my footer will be over here. By the way, that's precisely... This is precisely what I meant to do. Index head.html. Maybe footer HTML. Looking good, actually. Don't say that it looks bad. And what's the deal here? Wait, who am I executing head? Wait a minute. Can I see it on the network? I don't believe so. So what is the difference? Template head dot. Template head HTML dot footer HTML dot. I don't see how this is different. So the head is just executed here. Unless... Unless really anything. Let's try take a look. So the path is field makes us to string type, which doesn't path. Here are some potential causes. Hmm. OS get env homepage. For the love of me, I don't quite. Okay, this is broke my right. Didn't broke anything. For the love of God, I don't remember exactly how do I path. Wait, dot path. Okay, so there was more fuckery that I used to do. Excuse me a second. Come on. E tra un'ora facciamo un'ora a fine. Io con l'auto ne fa. Questo poco. E poi questo tutto. Ok, 90 euro. All right, so something puff, I puff. Something about this pathing should check if path is available. Is included a template ensure is the correct example of the incorrect path usage is a string head can't access path. Oh, so that was the deal. Okay. Which would mean then that just gonna copy the I can make it on the fly. r.url.path. Okay. I'll be a struct path string r.url path. How about now? Oh, I say get env homepage. What? Nope, doesn't yet work. Hmm. Okay, so I understand the problem now, but I don't. Possible cause of fix. The path field doesn't exist. Google lang path field. Home handler. So this is about the static. This is where my file goes. Oh, there he is. It's not gray yet. They write it with an A or an I. Okay, that's good. Progress. I can't for the love of God know what this. Oh wait, does Golang have features? Okay, so you are. God damn it. You specify the ERI being for the server for the URL. Path omits the leading dash. Okay, well, what works works. Speaking of working, this doesn't. Right? Oh, it was very light. That's what the big deal was. Let's groovebox it now. Flow my groovebox background. Yeah, we're gonna make it white, but first off, let's remove okay, 28, 28, 28, and at the same time, let's take a look at how Tailwind customize. It would be grove box, and the color would be star 28, 28, 28. Well, all right, and this would be grab box. Has been seen. Fabulous. Okay, now that my palette is there, let's start working our way up for Kahoot. We're gonna put a timer of about 1 hour. Today again would be short, but you know, sometimes there's something more important than hobbies, so that would be how life goes. Okay, now I don't know how much I can copy. Because there's a lot of stuff over here that's already done. Unless HTML I have to write, the better my life would be. Okay. So this is the default layout. which is fine. Uh, App layout page. We got 2 pages. There it goes. I don't even know if this is going to be better for me to just write it from scratch. Honest, let's give it an honest try. Then if this looks too painful, we're just gonna write it from scratch and call it a day. Okay. So there's a little bit of an... Oh wait, this is not the home page. This is... Okay, if read question, if question, which means this doesn't concern me. Right. And the question doesn't concern me. Let's put it with asking. Let's put 3 of those. Every answer answer. I don't remember what this was about. Height 200, width 200, path. That's where the image went. This is a timer. So we're gonna have to figure that out. Start with this curly for the... Like, what is this about? Okay, pitch. No, ans 1, ans 2, ans 3, and ans 4. Looks like I removed most of the stuff. Looks like there's a little bit of stuff missing. Temporarily the text white. That should help. I just fucked something up. What am I? What am I seeing here? So the text is supposed to be white. Doesn't work. Oh yeah, my tailwind is not compiling shit. Hello? My body, however, is in Groovebox mode, so not quite sure why. I swear, man, tailwind's supposed to be the answer, but most of the time it really bugs. It does register it in my body. So should be, oh, fucking React, man. Okay, there we go. My bad, this is not Tailwind, this is my skill issue. Okay. So yeah, the background color of that. Okay, so that's where the question. Oh. That will be for put answer or whatever. This is for answer, so answer one. So for answers, answer one, two, what the fuck is this? No. Okay, then. So this is where the timer goes, and this is where everything else goes. Let's to take a look at how precisely. Oh, right, because I don't have the colors Kahoot red, Kahoot yellow, Kahoot green. I can. That's fixable. Kahoot red, green, yellow, uh, blue. Tailwind. Okay, green. There he goes. Vamanos. Yeah, this would have to go fixed at some point. Actually, the one thing that I should be focusing, since this game will be played more than on a phone. Like 55 inches TV measures pixel. So that's the dimension I should be programming for. Should take a look on how that is gonna look. Yeah, see? Because I never really thought about the very wide screen when I made this. Okay, so this is the screen that I'm targeting. I don't even know if I should be targeting anything else because honestly, it's not like I'm not gonna play on such big screens. So first thing I would want to be everything a little bigger. I would also want a picture example. All this, I don't know if I get in trouble with copyright stuff. Yeah, well, like the month. Holy Jesus, Lord, how big is that picture? Okay, this sounds more like. Well, this would help me on somewhat. Put it in straight in my Kahoot in Go in static. Folder pictures. Test. Where did I put the pictures? Okay, in between this. Oh, so this image type. Okay. I wouldn't say that it's one of these. Static pictures. Yep. um, yeah, the width part. The width of this. I think I dealt horrible before. This time should be. First off, this should be not in there, but inside my classes. Be like with, I don't know, 20, let's say. Still 20 is kind of small. I also have the problem that like should be somewhat relative. Should be also readable. So exactly how do I make sure that this, because if let's say I now download a horizontal one, or.jpg. So see, this would be smaller. Unless I'm gonna put an if else based on the picture. So I should like read the measurements of the picture and make it horizontal or vertical based on that. Again, I believe still that this is small. Like is even that 250? Yeah, we can go. That space, but 120 should be like. It feels kind of small. But 150 doesn't feel like much of a difference because it's still 120. Golang server gets stuck. Okay, Golang server crashes and occupies. So 160 feels like a good measurement for the vertical ones. I wish to understand why. Golang keep crashing and occupying port 8080. It's a port or version EB4. For me, the Golang was running first. Yeah. Anyway, after starting it a bunch of times, it does give me some problem. Right, so all of this just need to grow. Like this text 4xl should become like 10xl. No, that's not. So 9xl is the biggest one, which looks perfectly fine here. Actually kind of big here. You can even go like for an 8. Yeah, no, sticking for the 9. How many eggs in a dozen? Oh yeah, the poor timer. Put like a static path. Okay, so that's full. How about half? Still a lot. How about 112 straight up? So it's more one. Yeah, this can't work. What was it in the beginning? It was 16. 32, 64. Yeah, 64 looks about right. Okay, now let's see how this works with my... Yeah, so the problem is my horizontal picture is worse. Horizontal picture can at least be twice 320, 480. 420. Yeah, something of those sorts. Should be different from each other, which should be based on. I think I can using JS DOM check out the picture width and height. And we can go in my static. We can put some JS and say index.js. So I'm gonna get it one file because whatever, like it's gonna be okay. And we can go in the head and import this guy. Static JS index.js. Precisely that. And my index.js should it should be called yep, my stuff got stuck. If I would be a betting man, I believe that my bot is doing this. But let's try to disable Seri. Add timer off.
Il futuro è di chi non ha paura di buttarsi.
Don't. What is out of date? Please visit to fix this and try the command again. Oh, come on, man. Tries. Need to wait 30 seconds. Can wait 30 seconds. Okay. So, in the meantime, I got unstuck. And my intuition about it being the Seribot could be correct. Should take a look at the VOD later on. Let's take a quick fix on this, and for today, that's about it. Hopefully this Sunday I'm gonna stream a lot more. How do they call it? Test, yeah. And in my console.log, if I the fuck is natural width? Oh yes, because it's null. I had a way to make sure that stuff loads. Just simply to wait it to load. Okay, so I have the weight and the width and the height. Now basically my JS will simply take this in account. Actually, this is trivial code. So we're gonna make it, bro, if imp.natural width equals is less, I can lose a JS stock, is smaller than img.natural height, then img.width equals, I don't know, to 150 pixel. Else 300 pixel. They wrote something incorrect. Explain if I imaged at is it because they are not numbers? You paranoid prick. An integer y indicating the address. Yeah, that's correct. So can we please, like, do I have TypeScript or prettier? Have prettier. The fuck is conform doing then? Maybe. Oh, it's ready. Okay, maybe. Actually, I don't know. Oh, right, this is not Golang. So is my width 0? Change width of image. Image style, that would. You have to do it with styles. Okay. So that's good. And then we can just take a look how this takes with my hordes. Okay, great. Hey, we are a little bit shy of an hour, but my duty calls me, so I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Hopefully my screen capture won't crash anymore. Hopefully. Bye bye.